This over may become to Mustafizur Rahman. Zimbabwe need only 21 run by 12 ball. Zimbabwe struck. Hits the ball, maybe it will be boundary. Fielding misses the ball and it will be boundary. Zimbabwe start very well this over with boundary and it must be needed to Zimbabwe. It's very disappointed to Bangladesh. Oh my god. It must almost close the ball in the hand of the hand. Second ball. 70 run need to 11 ball. What happened? Again, no. Maybe it will be 1 run. Zimbabwe wants to get 2 run, but 12 run. 60 run to 10 ball. Mustafis must need to run this 4 ball without boundary. Now Zimbabwe set off. Match 70-30%. Zimbabwe 70%, Bangladesh 30%. Ball. Hit the ball, maybe it will be wicket. What a catch! What a catch by Tamim! It must be need to Bangladesh. Mustafizur Rahman is one of the best bowler in this now. His slower is very dangerous. His quartermaster. He came from IPL. He was 14 wicket or 8 match. His IPL this season he bowled very well. Now he come to duty for Bangladesh. Zimbabwe also disappointed. He lost the wicket. Now increase come to Mujarbani. His eyes score 9 run. 3 ball left. Mustafizur Rahman. Zimbabwe needs 60 run to 9 ball. Bangladesh need 2 wicket. Zimbabwe needs 60 run. Mustafiz run to ball. A very well ball. That's great ball. Slower Carter ball. It's very dangerous ball. Mustafizur Rahman is Carter master. You just see it. That's what a slower ball. Better. Couldn't understand that ball. As he tried to hit the ball, but again he hits the ball, but Carter master again. Slower ball. Last ball must be need to dot without dot or wicket. If Zimbabwe hits the boundary this ball, it will be very easy to win Zimbabwe. But if they don't get any boundary this ball, it's not easy for Zimbabwe. Last ball of this over. Oh my god, maybe it's 6 or out. Oh my god, that's very good field. What a field by skipper Nazmul Shanto. Zimbabwe gets 1 run, almost it 6, but skipper Shanto it saved. We can now reply. See it almost. Yes. No, it's not boundary. Zimbabwe only get 1 run. Nazmul Shanto save 5 run. It's very important for Bangladesh team.